Survey sites can look similar, but the biggest difference is how much time each one requires before you reach a reward. By the end, you'll know how to compare survey sites based on efficiency, what details to check before signing up, and how to avoid wasting time on low-value tasks. The first thing to check is the type of surveys available. Different survey sites offer different tasks, and the amount of effort required can vary from one survey to another. Before starting, review the available survey options and choose tasks that match the time you want to spend. The second thing to look at is screening questions. Many survey platforms use questions to determine whether you qualify for a specific survey. A long screening process can reduce the time you spend actually completing paid activities, so check how the platform handles eligibility before committing. The third factor is reward transparency. A good survey site clearly explains how users earn rewards and how those rewards can be redeemed. Review the payout information before completing surveys so you understand what you are working toward. Another important factor is consistency. A survey site with clear instructions and regularly available tasks can be easier to use than one where opportunities are difficult to understand. Check the app or website regularly and track which surveys are worth your time. A common mistake is focusing only on the reward amount shown on a survey. A higher reward does not always mean better value if the survey takes much longer to complete. Compare the time required with the reward offered before starting each survey. User reviews can also help identify problems. Look for repeated complaints about survey availability, confusing rules, or reward issues. Use reviews as a reference, but verify the current platform details because survey systems can change. The easiest way to test a survey site is to start with a few surveys and measure your own experience. Track how long tasks take, and whether the reward process works as expected. This gives you a better idea of whether the platform fits your schedule. The best survey sites are not necessarily the ones making the biggest promises. They are the ones with clear rules, reasonable tasks, and a reward system that is easy to understand. To summarize, compare survey sites by checking task length, screening steps, and payout clarity. Your next step is to test a platform with a small amount of time before committing more. If this guide helped you choose better survey sites, like the video and subscribe for more practical ways to evaluate earning apps.